Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how FOYR NEO is reshaping office floor plan software. In 2025, office design has always been about striking the right balance between functionality, aesthetics, and productivity. It's not just about arranging furniture. It's about creating an environment where ideas flow, collaboration thrives, and every corner works efficiently for the people who use it. In the past, designers often faced challenges when trying to visualize a concept. Flat 2D plans don't always capture the nuances of a space, and the trial-and-error process of shifting layouts can be time-consuming and frustrating. That's where FOYR NEO is stepping in and truly changing the game. Imagine being able to see your office design come to life in real time. That's exactly what FOYR NEO offers with its groundbreaking 3D visualization feature. No more second-guessing whether a desk layout works or if the lighting complements the overall vibe. With just a few clicks, you can walk through the space virtually and experience it before any physical changes are made. Customization has also never been easier. Whether it's resizing a meeting room, adjusting the placement of breakout zones, or swapping furniture, FOYR NEO lets you tweak every detail seamlessly. This kind of flexibility is a game changer, especially when working with clients who might want to see multiple iterations before finalizing a design. And let's talk about efficiency. Every designer's dream. FOYR NEO comes equipped with tools that help you maximize space usage. You can analyze traffic flow, plan collaborative zones strategically, and even optimize natural light placement. It's like having an assistant that ensures no square foot goes to waste. And it doesn't stop there. FOYR NEO also allows you to experiment with diverse design styles and layouts without any limitations. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist open-plan office or a dynamic multifunctional workspace, the platform's extensive library of furniture, materials, and textures ensures your creativity knows no bounds. Plus, it's not just about visualizing spaces, it's about understanding them. What truly sets FOYR NEO apart is how it simplifies revisions. Need to shift desks closer to the window or swap out furniture for ergonomic options? It's all just a few clicks away, making iterations quick and hassle-free. This means you can present polished professional layouts to clients faster than ever, giving you a competitive edge in the industry. Lastly, the ability to export high-quality 3D renders and walkthrough lets you showcase your designs in stunning detail, leaving a lasting impression on your clients and stakeholders. Whether you're pitching a concept or finalizing a layout, FOYR NEO ensures your vision is communicated with clarity and impact. What makes 2025 so exciting for office design is the push towards smarter, more interactive tools. With FOYR NEO, you're not just designing a layout, you're creating an experience. The software also simplifies collaboration, allowing real-time sharing with clients or team members. This means quicker approvals and fewer back and forths, saving both time and effort. Another standout feature is how accessible FOYR NEO is. Its intuitive interface means even those new to digital design tools can dive in and create professional-grade layouts. And with its extensive library of furniture, fixtures, and materials, you can experiment with endless styles and combinations to bring your vision to life. The way we design offices is evolving, and FOYR NEO is at the forefront of this transformation. From eliminating the guesswork to ensuring every design is optimized for productivity and comfort, this software empowers designers to focus on what truly matters: creating spaces that inspire. If you've been searching for a tool that takes your office designs to the next level, FOYR NEO is it. Whether it's for a sleek corporate space or a dynamic startup office, the possibilities are endless, and the process has never been more streamlined. Office floor planning in 2025 is all about innovation, and FOYR NEO is leading the charge. If you're ready to embrace the future of design, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Want to try it out? We've got you covered. Click the link in the description to access your 14-day free trial of FOYR NEO and start designing like never before. Happy designing!